Hey Medicine Hat, it's Brandon Robinson, your friendly sales manager down here at Medicine Hat Toyota, coming out to you with another used car feature of the week. What's really cool, this is a 2012 Ford Edge with only 140,000 kilometers on it. But what's really cool is the Carfax report on this vehicle. Hey, cut the video. Let's kick over to that Carfax report. I want to show you guys a few cool things. Alright, so as you see on that Carfax report, guys, no accidents, Alberta vehicle, and regularly serviced. So we can see about the last 5 years worth of service records due to privacy. But as you can see on there, regularly maintained, which is super important when you're buying a pre-owned vehicle. And it's really important to us when we take a vehicle on a trade that we look at those kind of things, because it's important to share with the next owner who's going to own this vehicle. Something really cool to keep in mind. As I mentioned, this 2012 Ford Edge, fully loaded. So it's got navigation, it's got Bluetooth, it's got power windows, power locks, double sunroof. It's got everything you need in a vehicle, really luxury feel for only $13,998. So take advantage of this vehicle or any other used vehicle we got on our lot right now. Again, it's Brandon Robinson. Come see me, come see anyone on the sales team, book your appointment, give us a call, come on down to the dealership. Again, it's Brandon Robinson, your friendly sales manager here at Medicine Hat Toyota. I'll see you guys soon.